Assalamualaikum friends, we have another round watch that you can purchase from AliExpress. Previously I did unboxing of HT11 and the version I have here is HT32. So let's check this out and let me just quickly unbox this. As you can see, the model name is HT32. Now you can get this from AliExpress. I will put the link in the description. Seller is Zorwing, and I ordered this in black color. You can get this in silver as well. So let me just quickly peel the plastic off. And the box looks very similar to HT11. HT11 is on a premium side. It's much more expensive compared to this version. So let's see how it looks. This one is basically a sports mode type smartwatch, you can say. But let's check the build quality. This one also looks very nice. So let me just quickly peel the plastic from the back. And it comes with 1.4 inches AMOLED display, real AMOLED display, and IP67 rating, unfortunately. So it will be water resistant but not waterproof like other smartwatches, which has IP68 rating. So inside the box we get our charging dock and manuals, which we don't need. These watches are very easy to pair. So let me just quickly boot this, and here is another plastic on the front screen. And the build quality looks amazing, guys. The build quality looks really premium. It has a matte finish. There is another sticker on the back which is on heart rate sensors, and it has different sensors. And in HT models, the heart rate sensor is really good. So let me just quickly boot this. It has actually two buttons. One is for one is the crown key, and you can also press that, and this one is for booting the device. So let me just quickly select English language, and as you can see, the display looks amazing, guys, and it's quite fast as well. So the animations looks nice. So as you can see, the top you get a quick menu, and let me just quickly change the watch faces. So it has plenty of watch faces, and this one looks really nice, guys. Let me know in the comments down below. Because of AMOLED display, these watches are great in my opinion. So let's see. Let me turn down the brightness a little bit. And yeah, overall the display looks stunning in my opinion. It has a really crisp and sharp image quality. So let me just go back and see other watch faces. You can change the watch faces by rotating the crown key, and it has a really nice set of watch faces. So yeah, let me just change it to another menu style. We only have two menu styles, but I really prefer the list view because the other one I will show you in a few minutes. Let me just go back here. As you can see, this menu looks a little bit sluggish compared to list view. So I really prefer the list view, but you can change as per your liking. It has a speaker on the left side, so you can make calls and you can receive calls. But the display, guys, looks really amazing, and the black color in my opinion looks very nice. The silver one comes with a white strap and white body, a little bit you can say silver. So as you can see, from the bottom you get menu, you get notifications if you swipe from the bottom. From the top you get your quick menu set toggles, and here as you can see we have heart rate sensor as well. We have music playback, so you can pair your TWS headphones in this one, which is nice. It has 1 GB of internal storage, which is less compared to the other watches, but still it's good. And yeah, look at the display, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you like the display. Unfortunately, it does not come with palm gesture, which is very weird to see because a lot of the smartwatches comes with the palm gesture support, but this one does not have any palm gesture, and there is no setting for that as well. So let me just quickly show you the always on display. We only have two themes for always on display, and as you can see, the palm gesture does not have the palm gesture, which is quite unfortunate. So just switch it back to list view. I prefer list view over the other view. You can change the language as well. So let me go into the system. As you can see, the model is HT32. Here is the sports mode, and as you can see, the animations looks quite nice. So simplistic animations, and it works really well, the heart rate sensor, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. So let's try heart rate sensor, and as you can see, quickly it shows you an error if you are not wearing the watch. And let me just put it on a table first. No, not on the table. Let's see if it works. It will measure. If I put my fingers on the back. So as you can see, it's measuring. It takes quite a little bit of time to measure the heart rate, but once it's working really nice. So we have sleep tracking as well, and AI voice, which you need to pair it to your smartphone first to work. And here is another sensor, SpO2 sensor. Camera, you can operate camera as well. So this is basically a game. It has photo album, ebooks, and yeah, the touchscreen is really sensitive. It works really well in this price range. I'm not actually complaining. So the raise to wake feature is also working really well, as you can see, and looks quite nice on the wrist. So let me know in the comments down below if you like this watch. Currently I'm really liking it, but unfortunately it does not support palm gesture. So yeah, raise to wake features works really well. And here's the bezel size. As you can see, the bezel is also quite thin. So yeah, overall I must say the watch looks really nice, and the strap quality is also very nice. So it is supporting 22 millimeter strap. It says liter on the side, but yeah, it supports 22, so you can put any other straps if you have third-party straps. So you can also lock the watch faces, and this button you can set it to, let me just quickly show you. You can set any application, which is really nice to see. So guys, let me know in the comments down below if you like this video. Click on that like button, and if you are new to my channel, click on that subscribe button, click on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this watch, and I will see you guys in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. Allah Hafiz.